In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Patreon language. We'll walk through this step by step so you can easily switch Patreon into the language that's most comfortable for you. This is especially helpful if you joined while the site was set to a default language, or if you share your account with someone who prefers a different one. First, open your web browser and go to your Patreon dashboard. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can see your home area with all your memberships and creator tools. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and sign in, and you should land on your main dashboard page. Once you're on your Patreon dashboard, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there, typically showing your profile picture or initials and your username. Click on that profile section in the bottom left. This opens a small menu with various options related to your account. From that menu, click on the option labeled Your Memberships. This is where Patreon keeps the settings related to the accounts and creators you're supporting, but it also gives you quick access to your personal settings. After you click Your Memberships, look for a section or link called Personalized Settings. Go ahead and click on Personalized Settings. This will take you into a broader settings area where you can customize how Patreon looks and behaves for your account. Inside the settings area, you'll see several tabs or sections along the top or side. Click on the one labeled Account. This is where your main account information and preferences live, including your language settings. On the account page, scroll until you find the Language Preference section. There should be a drop-down menu or selection box that shows your current language. Click on that language drop-down. When you do, you'll see a list of all the languages Patreon currently supports. Now, carefully scroll through the list and click on the new language you want to use. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct one, especially if several options look similar. As soon as you select your new language, Patreon will automatically update your settings. You don't need to look for a separate save button. The change is saved for you. The interface may refresh or adjust, and you should now see the site displayed in your chosen language across your account.